Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain how can you earn money online. There are many methods to earn online, but I am going to explain the one that is very rewarding and very promising method to earn online. So I will explain you step by step. And so this work is about the AI training, and if you have subject knowledge, like you are expert in physics, mathematics, engineering topics like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and whatever, like medicals and others also, or language skills also there. If you are expert, then you can train the AI models so that it can generate better response when a user inputs or asks something from the AI model. So AI model is trained using the using the input of some expert, and then expert check whether the response of the AI model is correct or not. Then we judge it and rate it accordingly, so that AI model is trained. Okay, this is the kind of work, and I am providing a link in the description. You can click on the link and sign up and click on this. When you click on this, you will land on the page, main page, where you can sign up using your email or Gmail accounts. And after signing up, you will get to the skills test, and then you have to complete the sign up procedure, and then you have to pass some skill test so that you are able to work on the site, right? And when you pass the skill test, you will get the dashboard like this. This one is my dashboard, and you will get like the dashboard like this, and where you will see here marketplace. And in marketplace, if you have already available project according to skills, you will get the projects that is available. And if your skill doesn't match with the available project, you can add more skills here by clicking this. You will redirect to the skill page, and here already past skill will be here. Like I have done this ether journalist, elementary and secondary education. English skills I have done it, and journalist Hindi I have passed. Mathematics and mechanical engineering I passed, and physics also there. So I have passed these skill tests, and there are many other skills like Urdu, Bengali, C#, C languages, and Python, Java. So many skills tests are here. One can pass HTML, Java, JavaScript, and so on. So one can pass the skill test according to his or her skill. Okay, after passing the skills, you are assigned with some project here, and in the dashboard you will see the project queues here. In project queue, this is Grantix was the earlier project, and current project is my this Webster file. This is the rate is $44 per hour, which is handsome money. Okay, if we complete the skills, complete the task, the task time is 45 minutes to 1 hour. So if we submit a correct task, we get the money at this rate, $44 per hour. Okay, and the money is transferred using the PayPal account. You have to create your PayPal account, and then money is transferred to your bank account using the PayPal, right? And you can also check your earnings. Like I have my earning $1,504. I have done completed, and you can check earnings. And also I will you can also use the playground is for like just accessing the many types of tools which are costly market by, like Grok voice, Phi model, Kimi, Cloudy, and so there are so many models, GPT 5.4, GPT 5.4 mini. We can access these models for free here. This is playground to play with the AI models. So it is not very bad. It is awesome. It is an awesome website. You can also learn and earn by playing the AI trading, and I will provide you the link, referral link. You can click on the link and then sign up, and I hope it will you will like it, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.